In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account on MatchTrader. Now, for the first time you come onto this platform, on their official website, it's going to tell you that you basically have to select if you are a broker or prop firm or a trader, so make sure you click on I'm a trader, and when you do this, click on Try Demo up top. When you click on Try Demo, it's going to take you to a separate page, and then it's going to load up their web trader, but this is not a demo account yet. This is just a guest mode, as you can see up left over here. What you can then do is click on Prop over here, and then here you can see you can get a demo challenge, which is basically a demo account, or you could click on top right and click on Sign In, and it's going to be the same thing. Here you want to click on Register. It's going to give you this Open Live Account basic notification. Just click on Sign In. And then here, you'll be able to see it's going to say want to try a free account and explore the platform. Click on Try Now. And then from here, you'll be able to type in your email, your password, and then confirm your password again, and click on Create Demo Account, or just sign up with Google or Discord, okay? I'm going to sign up with Google. I already do have an account over here, but still, I'm going to click Sign Up because this should sign me in automatically. And when you do this, there we go here, you'll be able to get your demo account. As you can see, I'm right now in my demo account. Here's my balance, and I can go ahead and start trading with my demo funds. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.